What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Today, we're going to talk about the 10 a.m. rule. Now, the 10 a.m. rule is a rule that I use when I'm investing in the stock market. That rule simply states this: the highest volatility in the stock market is between 9:30 a.m. and 10 o'clock a.m. Therefore, sit on the sideline and wait until that volatility passes by before I decide to make any type of investment purchase. It has served me well. Now, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy here on YouTube giving you guys my opinion and also walking you through what has made me a successful short-term investor in 2025. You have to go out and do your own homework and figure out what makes the right sense for you. But the 10 a.m. rule allows me to get a good understanding of which direction the stock market wants to go on any given trading day. For example, this morning, I decided I was going to buy Rigidity. Instead of me, when the market opened, just jumping into Rigidity, I know that the first 30 minutes of the stock market is going to be pretty volatile. And the reason it's going to be pretty volatile is because that's when your institutional investors, your big gigantic hedge funds, your billionaires have already loaded up robo traders to be able to flood the market immediately when it opens. Again, guys, that's my opinion. You don't have to believe that. I'm not saying that I'm some expert. I'm just telling you what my belief is according to my research. Therefore, you got a lot of automated bots and automated traders flooding the stock market with millions of trades, therefore increasing the volume, whether it be up or down. So what I do after the first 30 minutes, most of that robo trading, that bot trading has taken place, and then the market settles down and I have a direction to go in order to make a successful investment for that day. Like I mentioned, Rigidity. Waited, used the 10 a.m. rule, jumped in Rigidity at the right time, and made a little bit of FCF. Again, guys, this is not financial advice. This is not me trying to tell you what to do. I'm just telling you why I use the 10 a.m. rule. Now, my short-term investment strategy, if you are part of my Wealth Builders financial community on Patreon, you will know exactly what that strategy is. That's where I'm buying my favorite companies, whether they be small companies, medium-sized companies, or large companies, every single day that the market is open. And I look for my entry point or my entry price. And then I also predetermine a exit price. And I just look for daily fluctuations in the stock price of my favorite companies. I basically buy the dip and I sell on the rip. Now, again, this is not financial advice. This is just me telling you what my short-term investment strategy is. Please go out and do your own independent research and come up with your own strategy that works for you and your family. I just have to say that so that nobody is here trying to say I'm trying to tell people what to do, because I'm not. I'm a YouTuber, and I do things on my YouTube channel where I share my investment experiences with the people that watch my channel, and that's all I'm doing right now. So the 10 a.m. rule has been very helpful. Because again, when you got that heightened volatility, things are moving so fast because of these robo investors and these automated bots and these millions and millions and millions of transactions that are taking place, and that that first 30 minutes of the stock market, you can easily make the wrong decision. So patience is a big part of my short-term investment strategy. And like I said, the wealth builders on my financial committee on Patreon, they have heard me say this time and time again. So tap in. You feel me? Tap in. Link down in the description box. I will continue with the 10 a.m. rule for the rest of 2025, and I will probably just continue with the 10 a.m. rule forever, as long as I'm investing. Why? Because it's a sound practice, in my opinion, guys. Again, I'm no expert here, man. I make mistakes just like everybody else. But overall, the 10 a.m. rule is a pretty good indication for me of patience. Allow the market to go ahead and do what it do in that first 30 minutes, which is millions and millions and millions and millions of transactions. And then once the market settles down after the robo trading and the auto bot trading, then it gives me an opportunity to see exactly what these investments are doing so that I make the right decision for me and give myself the best opportunity to be successful. That's all I'm saying, guys. I'm not going to tell you what to do because I'm not qualified to tell you what to do. I'm not qualified to give you any advice because I'm not a financial advisor. So please go out and get you some financial advice help if you're a person that is not comfortable making their own decisions. But my wealth builders asked me to make a video about the 10 a.m. rule according to my research. Others may have a different opinion on the 10 a.m. rule, and that's okay. The good news is everybody is entitled to their own opinion, and I just gave you mine. So for me, 10 a.m. rule all day, every day that the market is open, because it gives me the best opportunity to be successful. Drop me some comments down in the comment box and let me know what you think about the 10 a.m. rule. Love to get you guys' feedback on that. Curious to know what y'all think about the 10 a.m. rule. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. Stay healthy, get wealthy, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks. Moo is going to give you some NVIDIA stock when you open up a new Moo brokerage account and make a deposit. All you got to do is get down to the first link in the description box. That's the Moo brokerage link. Click on it and get all the details on how you can get some NVIDIA stock. Don't delay, act today. Second link down in the description box is the Wealth Builders Financial Community on Patreon. Guys, all we do in that community is help each other build wealth, get to financial freedom and passive income. If you want to be a part of our team, all you got to do is click on that second link. It'll take you over to Patreon, and then come sign up for the fastest growing financial community on Patreon. We'll call the Wealth Builders.